This is a pretty packed meat. This is a pretty big bitch. There's so many subis, bro. It's like pretty whack. Oh, look at that thing. Dude, look at this. Jesus, this is what I'm talking about right here. Num tumbo. Num tumbo. Jeez. Dang. Woo. Sheesh. This thing is wide. It's cool how they set the sensor from over there to right there. Doobie Bros. My family. They're like, hey, what's up, fellas?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Who the fuck are you? Fuck out of here.
Hey!
Yeah, so I'm gonna have something.
You
Yeah,
like that?
yeah. But mine are gonna be together. The all three are gonna be together. This guy tried racing me like long time ago. Couldn't take him, but now want the rematch. Oh, look at the battery! Look at the battery.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I said, look at the battery. Do you get it?
Full.
No.
Look at the engine.
You don't get it?
No.
Oh my god. Cars and coffee. Oh, this is Cars and coffee. Nice. Woo! Whoa! Pops, bangs, whatever you think.
Shebang bang.
Well, the problem was you got tired of that V6 and decided to find.
This is the C8 we saw last time. It was a wide body. Seen it a while back ago.
Oh, the colorful one, the one with all the colors.
What are those?
Those are my sandals.
Dang, this thing looks mean. Oh, this Tesla, look at this Tesla. It looks pretty dope.
I ain't gonna lie, it does though.
Damn, look at that. Look at that guy. Huh?
I don't see you with that motivation.
That's how Bernardo and his
Should I go next to him? Should I go lay next to him?
$6,900, and then it's usually like $1,000 labor depending on the shop that you go to. I went up. And then hey, I do want to get photos with the 3 cars up in Marietta. Yeah. Okay.
Getting some good shots, huh?
Yeah, it's like the perfect spot right here. That's like I want you to talk about.
This thing is mean.
Yeah.
Huh?
Did you say anything there?
Yeah, I said this is a great shot.
And he just left?
He's like, hell yeah it is, dude. You didn't get a picture?